Hi! This episode is collaboration with two really amazing creators, Bonnie and Clive and Made by Sova. Please check the playlist down below where all the videos from this collaboration are gathered together. And please check out Made by Sova and Bonnie and Clive channels. You can get more inspiration how to turn junk into something usable. These videos are all about recycling used envelopes and easy projects. So today I wanted to use these long envelopes, windowed envelopes, to make some more envelopes. So I'm going to turn this envelope into another envelope, and it's gonna pretty much look like this. This is just the first prototype that I did. I used the template, and I'm not bothered that I can actually see through the window. I kind of like that, and I can still see from what this is. Really love it. And this is just one of the ways to actually use envelopes that you actually get in the mail. So let's start. For this project, I'm going to use a template that I printed off onto advertisement from the Aldi store. So I'm gonna use this as my envelope template. You don't need to use this. You can if you wanted to. I'm going to put the link down below so you can download it. I did prepare myself a little bit for this project, so I'm not gonna wait for paint to dry. So what I did is just I cut open here and here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like just with the craft knife, nothing major really. So we can have more paper to work with. And if you don't have windows, that's fine too. And if your envelopes is torn on the other side, it's fine too. You can use that too. So when I have this, I usually paint the outside. You can paint both sides if you wanted to. I paint over the windows, and that makes it that the paper is more sturdy, and I really like that. So you can use acrylics or watercolors, whatever you want. I started this one. I made this one with acrylics. So one side is blank and you can see the window. And I'm going to use this as my paper to cut out my envelope. This video is really straightforward. Now what you need to do is just decide where do you want your window. This envelope was actually like this, so the window is here, so the window is here on this flap. But if that doesn't bother you, you're not particular about where the window actually goes, then it's all right. You don't even need to think about that. Just cut your envelope out. But I suggest you to use the whole window with the tape around so that it doesn't tear when you're cutting out and folding. So I think I'm just going to go, let me see. I think I'm going to go like this. I'm going to cut this and this side, so it's going to be totally straight for me, because that makes it a little bit easier to work with. So I don't need to cut all around. So I'm just going to try to put this one in. Come on. Paper ears. Okay, I'm gonna just put it in and try to take a sliver off so it's all nice and neat. And this side too. Not sure if I'm straight, but maybe this is straighter. Okay. So let's try to do this. I was thinking something like this. I'm gonna take my pencil and just trace it around. Now all I need to do is just fold. And I usually put my ruler right to the spot where I need to make the crease. Sometimes I go a little bit over, but it's up to you how thick your ruler is. And then you just fold it like this. Where is it? Okay, here. It looks really yummy. So you can make a lot of these. I'm pretty sure you could mail these kind of envelopes off if you wanted to your pen pal or friends, family. You could do that. Pretty sure they're gonna be just fine in the mail. Like this. And the last one is this. So you're left with this. Even though you can still see through a little bit. So for the junk journal, this is perfect. And let me see how much you can actually see through. Well, with the white paper, you can't really see much. So if you're sending this actually out, then it would be just fine. You would just write an address here. So, okay, let's glue this baby up. And we're gonna have an envelope. You can round the top flap corner if you wanted to. I usually glue it right here where the corner is, and right here on the other side, and a little bit of glue down this line and down this line. And then that's kind of it. You press it down and you have finished, nice, cute envelope. You can paint both sides if you wanted to, if it bothers you that you can actually see the smudged paint inside as well. You can use crayons, you can use whatever you want. You're not limited to just acrylic paints. You can use watercolors or anything you call paint or pigment. You can spray it with coffee or coffee dye. Up to you. I'm gonna save all these bits that I cut off of this envelope. So in a future project, you're gonna see another video how I use these as well. So don't throw them away, just save them because they're really precious, yummy, colorful bits. I hope this inspires you to make some of the envelopes for your junk journals or to send off, however you wish to use them, and recycle the actual materials you already have at home and make the same thing out of them. I think this is a really cool idea, so you can use them up and make something beautiful out of it. Please do go check the videos from Made by Sava and Bonnie and Clive so you can see a different takes on easy envelope projects, and I hope you get inspired and you try them. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.